Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a successful broadcasting with variables for each person. Okay, so in this case you see I have the name here. Okay, it's important that we check this box here that says use dynamic variable and we put just a sample test data here. Okay, then we're gonna send it to my test number. All right, and then what's important is if you click here on download template, okay, it's going to show you the exact format that you need. Okay, so it needs to be phone number like this, and the first variable will be saying body1, so this needs to stay that way. What I recommend is then you copy this and you copy this and you paste it on a Google Sheet. All right, and then you put the phone numbers without country code, so don't put the plus because it usually it will screw up the formatting on a spreadsheet. So just put the country code and then the number, and then you put here whatever the variable is. But it's important that this stays as body1 if you have multiple variables, body2 or whatever it is. So it's always best to just download it here and it will give you the exact blueprint of what you need to do. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to contact us and we're happy to join you on a Zoom call. Thank you.